Tamam ahle Pakistan, Kocaşmi, Azade mübarek. Eyvallah.
Here, a little bit about Make-A-Wish Pakistan. That Make-A-Wish Pakistan is the affiliate member of Make-A-Wish International. This the biggest wish granting organization in 50 countries, and Pakistan is the affiliate member. Since inception 13 years ago, the foundation has granted thousands of wishes of the children in Pakistan. Many children are not among us today, but we are glad, we are delighted. These children, they left this world with a smile on their faces because their most cherished wish was fulfilled in this world. People of Pakistan, now I am addressing to the chief guest of today's Mr. Engin, that the people of Pakistan, they consider you as a hero, and you are the hero of the Muslim world. You are not only a great star, but you are also a great human being who is doing great work for the humanity. I read about you that in Africa, you have done a lot of good work for the poor people, especially, the drinking water in many rural areas. You took initiative. And today, when Make-A-Wish Pakistan contacted you, we know how busy and how precious it is. You told us that don't worry about me whenever it's convenient for you. And now these three children who are here, they are very excited. They are very happy because their most cherished wish is going to be fulfilled in a little while. Like I said, that the foundation Make-A-Wish, always they have granted very unique wish. But today's wish is very unique because the whole Pakistan is watching you. How popular you are, you can't imagine over here. Not among the viewers who love you, who adore you, but also Make-A-Wish children. They love you and they adore you. I tell you one thing, if you will contest an election in Pakistan, honestly, you will win the election and you can be a member of the parliament here. So don't forget, try your luck here. And Pakistan, they are full of love and affections for you.
Thank you.
These children are from the less privileged families, and they could have asked any wish, material wish. If they would have asked us to give them any car, we would have given them. They would have asked us to give them any expensive mobile, we would have given them. But the wish was that they wanted to meet you. It shows their love and their affections for you. Turkey and Pakistan are two brother countries. His Excellency is sitting here, a dear brother, the Consul General of Turkey. He always supported Pakistan in every difficult time and tough time. Turkey has always supported. And now your play is like a bridge, is playing a role of bringing two more people together. And Make-A-Wish is also bringing the two people of two countries more closer. Today, I had two more children from Lahore, which is another city, but somehow these children could not make it because not well. But I am bringing them to Istanbul to meet you. And I hope that you will give us the time and you will meet these children over there. At the end, I would like you to visit Pakistan as a special guest of Make-A-Wish Pakistan. There are more children, like I said, who wish to meet you in person. May God give you good health, success, and prosperity to continue the noble work of the Muslim. Pakistan, Turkey, friendship, Zindabad.
Anything? Okay, we've lost our side of the. Now you can.
Yes.
Okay,
now,
great.
yes.
So
These are
the three.
Selamun Aleyküm.
Walaikum Assalam. Can we have mics for the other three children who have made all our wishes come true? I mean, hum sabki wish in jaise puri ho rahi hai. So, can you introduce yourself? آپ اپنا نام بتاؤ.
السلام علیکم. میرا نام سہیل ہے اور میں نے یہ ڈرامہ پی ٹی وی پر دیکھا تو مجھے بہت خوشی ہوئی کیونکہ اس کے اسلام کے بارے میں اسلام کی تاریخ بتائی گئی ہے. اس میں بتایا گیا ہے کہ کتنے ہی بہادر جنگجو تھے جو اسلام کے لیے لڑتے تھے اور وہ کسی سے نہیں ڈرتے تھے, اللہ کی رضا کے لیے لڑتے تھے. اور میں یہ کہنا چاہتا ہوں مجھے اس ڈرامے میں بہت اچھی لگی جو کہ ہمارے نبی حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کا نام لیا جاتا تو آپ دل پر ہاتھ رکھتے, جو کہ بہت اچھی بات ہے.
میں ان کو بتاتی ہوں کہ آپ کیا کہہ رہے ہو. Let me translate for you. This is Suhail. And Suhail has just said that I saw your show, Earthroll, on our local channel, PTV channel, and I loved it because it's telling us about our Islamic history, and it's showing us how the heroes in our Islamic history, how they used to fight. They were not afraid of anybody. They were not afraid to lose their lives. And the thing he loved the most, your hand on your heart, and that's a gesture that he loves the most about the show. And I think we would all like to start doing that. Hum sabko karna chahiye, hai na?
بالکل.
That's what he said to you. Do you have anything to say to him, Engin?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy for this love, actually, and I can see we have inspired you, and yeah, it's very difficult role, but it was amazing. So I'm very happy for love. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. وہ کہہ رہے ہیں کہ بہت شکریہ آپ کے پیار کا. ان کو نظر آ رہا ہے کہ آپ سے بہت پیار کرتے ہیں, سو وہ اپنے دل سے.
وہ بہت ریئل لگتی ہے جس طریقے سے آپ لڑتے ہیں, تلوار سے آپ اپنی لڑتے ہیں, ترگت اپنی کلاڑی چلاتے ہیں, وہ مجھے بہت اچھا لگا.
جب ڈرامے کے ڈریس میں مجھے بہت اچھے لگتے ہیں, بہت اچھے. آج میں حلیمہ سلطان کا ڈریس پہن کے.
فضا.
السلام علیکم, میرا نام فضا ہے. میں آپ کا ڈرامہ بہت شوق سے دیکھتی ہوں. سب سے پہلے اس کا ٹریلر پی ٹی وی اور یوٹیوب میں جب سے متاثر ہوئے. آپ مجھے بہت اچھے لگتے ہیں, آپ کو چلنے پھرنے کا انداز بہت اچھا لگتا ہے. میری خواہش تھی کہ میں آپ سے ملوں, اور میک اپ وش والوں نے میری خواہش پوری کی. تھینک یو.
Yes, Humayun and Zeba are here. ہم آتے ہیں بعد میں. So, where did I lose you? That Suhail is dressed up in, the attire from the show, from that time
Yes.
period.
Yes, I can see.
And he'd like to show it to you. So, آپ کھڑے ہو, دکھاؤ. All three of them are wearing outfits from that time period. From, okay, we'll bring them in front.
Oh, it's lovely.
And that's Sidra. This is Fiza. Sidra is dressed up as Halima Sultan, and she wants to know how she's looking. Is she looking like Halima?
Yeah, of course, she's look like Halima.
This is Sidra.
Yes, of course, she's look like Halima.
Okay,
She's
and
so
she.
sweet.
بالکل آپ بالکل لگ رہی ہیں حلیمے کی طرح, بہت اچھی لگ رہی ہیں. And both the girls also love the show, and they express their wish to meet you, and they're very thankful to you and Make-A-Wish Foundation that their wish has come true. They're extremely happy, and they love the show and they love you. So that's what they were saying. Thank you.
Thanks for bringing us together. Thank you very much.
And now there's a special gift for you, Engin. The three children, and Mr. Ishtiaq Beg would like to present a gift to you. It's a
Thank
sword,
you.
and it's for you from us. And of course, because you can't physically receive it, I would like to invite the Turkish Consul General, His Excellency, and Mr. Ikhtiar Beg.
Come here.
His
better, all the three
Excellency
children.
Tolga Ocak.
Now I want to tell you one thing. Engin, this is a very special sword which was made on order. And there is written La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved.
Thank you.
Since you are not present here, on your behalf, we are giving this sword from Make-A-Wish Children to you, which His Excellency, the Consul General, will deliver it, to you. And
you.
especially if somebody can put a little bit camera on it,
Yeah.
you can see La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which is engraved on the sword over here. So now we are giving it on your behalf, this sword, to His Excellency, the Consul General. And with us also, the Commissioner of Karachi is here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Excellency, this is your responsibility. Yeah, to deliver him. Thank you so much. चलो आइए बेटा बैठे यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. That sword is beautiful. I'm going to come to you in just a minute, Engin, but before that, I'd like to invite someone very special. She sung the original theme song of Ertrol, the Pakistani version. She sung it in Arabic and in Urdu, and she sung lots of soundtracks before. And she sung it in very beautifully. So I'd like to invite her, and we're going to play the theme song. Miss Middat Hayat, she's also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation. Hi, Middat. Assalamu alaikum. Aap gayengi?
Yeah.
Do you want to stand in the center? Great. Okay. So Middat is going to sing for us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Middat. That was beautiful. Thank you. Middat is also a volunteer of Make-A-Wish Foundation, and she sings beautifully. Thank you. And now we're coming to you, Engin. It's time for us to finally hear your remarks about how you feel meeting these three children virtually, of course. And yeah, please.
It's amazing for me, of course. Thank you very much to Make-A-Wish, and thank you guys for watching us. And we have inspired you, and it's very, very important for us. Thank you very much for everything, and I hope we can see you one day. Thank you very much for everything.
Thank you. Yes, we hope to also meet you very, very soon. I finally figured out which camera was capturing me so I can look at you. I think it was that one. But we also hear that you will be visiting Pakistan soon, and we cannot wait. So thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank
And
you.
now I'd like to invite the Turkish Honorary Consul General, His Excellency, Consul General, His Excellency Mr. Tolga Ocak, to come and say a few words. Please, His Excellency.
Azadi Mubarak to my beloved Pakistanis. Pakistan Zindabad.
Q-Mobile View Max Pro. Your view matters.
I am Esra Bilgic, and on this 14 August, I would like to personally wish you all Jashan Azadi Mubarak from myself and Just Super 4G, Pakistan's #1 network. Pakistan Zindabad.
दुनिया को बता दो